Welcome everybody. I am Swati Desai. I am on the advisory board of Samanvay. Our executive director Fauzia Farooqi is a faculty in Princeton University in South Asian Studies, and our managing director Pawan Jain is an entrepreneur in Hyderabad. Samanvay is dedicated to preservation, promotion and appreciation of Indian arts and literature and thoughts both locally and globally. We organize regular cultural and literary events. We showcase world-class Indian talent, and we also support local artists. We contextualize performances and events to provide an orientation to various traditions of arts and literature from India. And through strategically planned cultural events, our aim is to create a space of engagement between artists, thought leaders, audiences, collaborators, stakeholders and patrons of Indian arts to provide both the creation and appreciation of Indian arts and thoughts in India and abroad. It is my absolute pleasure and honor to introduce today's performer, Sumangala Damodaran, who is a professor in Ambedkar University in Delhi in economics and popular music. So she's not only an economist, but she's also a singer and composer. She has written a book about musical traditions from the Indian People's Theatre Association and also has an album called Songs of Protest. So today the theme is Music for the Dark Times, in the Dark Times, in which Sumangala will be presenting her songs composed around the themes of war, conflict and migration. And I believe in today's times, it's going to touch our hearts and our sensitivities. She will also be paying tribute to strong women, actors, firefighters, as well as musicians. And it's Mother's Day coming up, and it's very appropriate to pay tribute to such women. She will be accompanied by her own daughter, Neelambari Bhattacharya. May I say, she is also following her mother's footsteps. She's getting her master's in sociology and also is an actor and composer. So let's listen to Neelambari and Sumangala, and let's see what it means to us.
Hello, I'd like to thank Samanvay, the organization that has invited me to do a musical program today, especially Pawan Jain, Amit Bhushan and Fauzia Farooqi, who have actually invited me to be part of this series, this online series of very interesting events that have been organized over the last month or so. And especially this particular weekends programs which are dedicated to women. My own work has been on the relationship between music and society, music and politics, and I have researched as well as performed from the repertoire of protest music in India, in South Asia, but I've also tried to understand the broad trends in protest music in other parts of the world. In that context, I've had the opportunity to meet some extremely remarkable women who were part of the nation building process in India, who were part of the Indian freedom movement, and I take this opportunity to remember them and also perform some songs which will honor their memory, but also respond in my own way to the events that have happened in this country and the rest of the world. The enormous health crisis, the major livelihood crisis that is engulfing all of us. I'm going to be joined in this performance for some songs by my daughter Neelambari Bhattacharya, and we'll start by a song which is called Bondhu, which is friend. This is a song that is in the Bhatiyali style from Bengal, which is a traditional boatman's song, and this particular song used to be sung by a very well-known Bhatiyali singer called Nirmalindu Chaudhary from Bengal. Where are you, my friend? I stand on one shore and you on the other. Can I understand your sorrow? As waves rise again and again, waves that know no creed, do I have a friend in you? This is a song of closeness yet distance. This is a song that tries to establish solidarity from one bank of a river to another.
অকুলে ভাষায়া বন্ধুরে কই রইলা রে বন্ধু লহর দরিয়ার বুকে রইলাম সপারিয়া কি দুঃখ বুঝিব বুঝিব বন্ধুরে কিনারায় দাঁড়াইয়া বন্ধু কই রইলাই রে কত ঢেউ রে এমন নিদানো কালে রে সঙ্গী নাই মোর কি
The next song is from Kerala. It's in Malayalam. It's called Pacha Panantatte, which means my green parakeet. This is a song that a young peasant girl sings to a parakeet. It's a love song, and it used to be sung by a remarkable woman called Medini, who now is in her late 80s. But at the time that it used to be sung, which was in the 1940s, she was a young worker in the coir factories in Alappuzha in Kerala. And she used to be known as the Pacha Panantatte or the green parakeet. This song is dedicated to her. The lyrics broadly can be translated as follows. The young girl is saying to the parakeet, "Will you come and sing in my banana grove? Will you come and sing in my green fields? Will you come and tickle the sickle that I hold in my hand?" പച്ചപ്പനന്തത്തെ പുന്നാര പൂമുത്തെ പൂനെല്ലിൻ പൂങ്ക ഉച്ചയ്ക്കു നീ എൻ്റെ കൊച്ചു വാഴത്തോപ്പിൽ ഒന്നുവാ പൊന്നഴകേ, പച്ചപ്പനന്തത്തെ പൊന്നാരപ്പൂമുത്തെ പൂനെല്ലിൻ പൂങ്കരളേ. ഉച്ചയ്ക്കു നീ എൻ്റെ കൊച്ചു വാഴത്തോപ്പിൽ ഒന്നുവാ പൊന്നഴകേ, പച്ചപ്പനന്തത്തെ. തെയ്യന്നം തെയ്യന്നം പാടണ പാടത്ത് നീ ഒന്നു പാടഴകേ, തെയ്യന്നം തെയ്യന്നം പാടണ പാടത്ത് നീ ഒന്നു പാടഴകേ. കൊയ്യുന്ന കൊയ്ത്തരി വാളിന്നു കിക്കിളി കൊള്ളുന്ന പാട്ടുപാട, കൊള്ളുന്ന പാട്ടുപാട. പച്ചപ്പനന്തത്തെ പൊന്നാരപ്പൂമുത്തെ പൂനെല്ലിൻ പൂങ്കരളേ. ഉച്ചയ്ക്കു നീ എൻ്റെ കൊച്ചു വാഴത്തോപ്പിൽ ഒന്നുവാ പൊന്നഴകേ, പച്ചപ്പനന്തത്തെ. അക്കാണും മാമല വെട്ടി വയലാക്കി ആര്യൻ വിത്തെറിഞ്ഞു, അക്കാണും മാമല വെട്ടി വയലാക്കി ആര്യൻ വിത്തെറിഞ്ഞു. അക്കാര്യം കുഞ്ഞിൻ്റെ ആനന്ദപ്പാട്ടിൻ്റെ ഈണമാണെൻ കിളിയേ, ഈണമാണെൻ കിളിയേ. പച്ചപ്പനന്തത്തെ പുന്നാരപ്പൂമുത്ത് പൂനെല്ലിൻ പൂങ്കരളേ. ഉച്ചയ്ക്കു നീ എൻ്റെ കൊച്ചു വാഴത്തോപ്പിൽ ഒന്നുവാ പൊന്നഴകേ, പച്ചപ്പനന്തത്തെ. The next song is called जाने वाले सिपाही से पूछो वो कहाँ जा रहा है. This was written by the Hyderabadi poet Makhdoom Mohyuddin at the time of the Second World War. Makhdoom was returning home from the railway station after a train journey sometime during the war, when he saw a large number of people, very poor, emaciated looking people, who had been gathered together. They were being conscripted to join the British Army, and at that point he wrote this song spontaneously. जाने वाले सिपाही से पूछो वो कहाँ जा रहा है, जाने वाले सिपाही से पूछो वो कहाँ जा रहा है, जाने वाले सिपाही से पूछो वो कहाँ जा रहा है. कौन दुखिया है जो गा रही है, भूखे बच्चों को बहला रही है, लाश जलने की बू आ रही है, जिंदगी है कि चिल्ला रही है, जाने वाले सिपाही से पूछो वो कहाँ जा रहा है. कैसे सहमे हुए हैं नजारे सिपाही से पूछो वो कहाँ जा रहा है। गिर रहा है सियाही का डेरा, हो रहा है मेरी जान सवेरा। ऐ वतन छोड़ कर जाने वाले, खुल गया इनकलाबी फरेरा। जाने वाले सिपाही से पूछो वो कहाँ जा रहा है। जाने वाले सिपाही से पूछो वो कहाँ जा रहा है। जाने वाले सिपाही से पूछो वो कहाँ जा रहा है। जाने वाले सिपाही से पूछो वो कहाँ जा रहा है। The next song is called दिन खून के हमारे प्यारे न भूल जाना. This is a song that was written after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre by an unknown poet, but it used to be sung by artists of the Indian People's Theatre Association in Bombay in the 1940s. It was sung at that time by another remarkable woman singer from Bengal called Preeti Sarkar. Preeti Sarkar, later on Preeti Banerjee, went on to become one of the remarkable actresses and singers in Bengal. दिन खून के हमारे प्यारे न भूल जाना, खुशियों में अपने हम पर आंसू बहा के जाना, दिन खून के हमारे सैयाद ने हमारे चुन चुन के फूल तोड़े, वीरान इस चमन में अब गुल खिला के जाना, दिन खून के हमारे गोली खा के सोए जलियान बाग में हम, सूनी पड़ी कब्र पर दिया जला के जाना, दिन खून के हमारे हिंदू और मुस्लिमों की होती है आज होली, बहते हैं एक रंग में दामन भिगो के जाना दिन खून के हमारे प्यारे न भूल जाना खुशियों में अपने हम पर आंसू बहा के जाना दिन खून के हमारे। The next song is from Telangana. It's a migrant road workers song, and this is dedicated to those hundreds of thousands of migrant workers who left various places that they were working all over the country and trudged hundreds and hundreds of kilometers to go back home in the midst of this crisis. The story that is being told through this song is that of a migrant worker who has moved away from the village to the city to build a road. He says, "My work is heavy, my job is hard, but these boulders that I carry on my head are not heavier than the burden of debt that I owe the Marwadi in the village. Let me work fast and build the road. The governor's car will pass soon through here." This song is in Telugu. Lagara 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 hailessa lagara రోడు రోలరు ముందడుగై సాగరా లాగరా హైలెస్స లాగరా రోడు రోలరు ముందడుగై సాగరా నడినెత్తిన సూర్యుడు నకనకలాడించాడు నడినెత్తిన సూర్యుడు నకనకలాడించాడు కంకర రస్తాలు సగమింకా మిగిలున్నదిరా లాగరా హోయ్ లాగరా లాగరా హైలెస్స లాగరా రోడు రోలరు ముందడుగై సాగరా లాగరా హైలెస్స లాగరా రోచురాయి మోటార్ల షికార్లకు కుదుపొచ్చిందట రోచురాయి మోటార్ల షికార్లకు కుదుపొచ్చిందట పూలపాను పల్లె తోవగవి నేడొస్తాడంట లాగరా హైలెస్స లాగరా రోడు రోలరు ముందడుగై సాగరా మారువాడి అప్పు కంటే మాయదారి బతుకు కంటే మారువాడి అప్పు కంటే మాయదారి బతుకు కంటే బరువా ఇంతోటి పెద్ద బండరాయి మావయ్య లాగరా హోయ్ లాగరా లాగరా హైలెస్స లాగరా రోడు రోలరు ముందడుగై సాగరా లాగరా హైలెస్స లాగరా మెతుకు విదిపితేనే తమ బతుకు పోయెననుకుంటారు మెతుకు విదిపితేనే తమ బతుకు పోయెననుకుంటారు బతుకే తమ బానిసని బానిసగా బతకాలంటారు లాగరా హోయ్ లాగరా పొలము పుట్ర అమ్ముకొని పొట్ట సీత పట్టుకొని వలసపోయి ఇండి దారిని పంట కాపు పట్నానికి లాగరా హోయే లాగరా లాగరా హైలెస్సా లాగరా రోడ్ రోలర్ ముందడుగై సాగరా లాగరా హైలెస్సా లాగరా రోడ్ రోలర్ ముందడుగై సాగరా లాగరా హైలెస్సా లాగరా రోడ్ రోలర్ ముందడుగై సాగరా లాగరా హైలెస్సా లాగరా రోడ్ రోలర్ ముందడుగై సాగరా. The last song is from a poem by the Hindi poet Dushyant Kumar. हो गई है पीर पर्वत सी पिघलनी चाहिए, हो गई है पीर पर्वत सी पिघलनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए, हो गई है पीर पर्वत सी पिघलनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए. आज ये दीवार पर्दों की तरह हिलने लगी, आज ये दीवार पर्दों की तरह हिलने लगी, शर्त लेकिन है कि ये बुनियाद हिलनी चाहिए, शर्त लेकिन है कि ये बुनियाद हिलनी चाहिए, हो गई है पीर पर्वत सी पिघलनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए. मेरे सीने में नहीं तो तेरे सीने में सही, मेरे सीने में नहीं तो तेरे सीने में सही, हो कहीं भी आग लेकिन आग जलनी चाहिए, हो कहीं भी आग लेकिन आग जलनी चाहिए, हो गई है पीर पर्वत सी पिघलनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए. सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं, सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं, मेरी कोशिश है कि ये सूरत बदलनी चाहिए, मेरी कोशिश है कि ये सूरत बदलनी चाहिए, हो गई है पीर पर्वत सी पिघलनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए, हो गई है पीर पर्वत सी पिघलनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए. Thank you.